Hello Mecca Beauty Junkies, my name is Maxi Hansen and today I'm going to get ready with you guys, show you guys my step-by-step beauty routine for this daytime glam look. And this is a look that I will do if I've got a big shoot on, if I'm trying to get lots of nice photos, so let's get into it. First things first, I'm going to prime and I'm using the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. I'm just going to apply this with my fingers all over my skin. For foundation, I'm using the Kevyn, the Etherealist Skin Illuminating Foundation. And I'm going to use the Mecca Cosmetica Complexion Brush to apply this to my face. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using the Kevyn Supernatural Concealer. And I'm going to use this under my eyes and anywhere else that I want to highlight. And I'm going to use the Smashbox Blurring Concealer Brush to blend that out. And I kind of like to take some of the excess product and put it on top of my lid to be used as an eyeshadow primer later on. Always going in with my fingers after. I just feel like the warmth of my fingers blends in the product really nicely. Now I'm going to set with powder using the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm going to use the same Smashbox brush. And I only like to set under my eyes, around the nose, and then a little bit around the mouth. I don't like using too much powder. Oh, and I set my lids as well. Now moving on to the eyebrows using the Hourglass Arch Brow Sculpting Pencil in Dark Brunette. I like to brush my brows up first and then I fill them in lightly. Now I'm going to do my eyeshadow using the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. This is one of my favorites at the moment. And I'm going to be using the Mecca Soft Shadower brush. I'm going to apply this shade right here. It's called Cashmere Bunny. I'm going to put that in my crease. And then I'm going to take Push Up right here and put that onto my lid. And I'm just blending it all together a little bit more. How beautiful is that color? I'm going to take a little bit of Cashmere Bunny and put it on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to do a little winged liner using the STILA Sail Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is the best liquid eyeliner in the game, in my opinion. Trying to get them to look the same feels like impossible. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna leave it because otherwise I'm just gonna overdo it. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Roach. I'm gonna line my waterline. And now I'm gonna curl my lashes using the Kevyn Lash Curler. And then I'm going to use the new Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. Such a beautiful packaging. That's my eyes pretty much done, so we can move on to the face. And I'm actually using the Too Faced Natural Face palette for this, also one of my favorites at the moment. And I'm going to use the Too Faced Mr. Right brush. First going in with Sunny Honey, this beautiful bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze out my face. Now I'm going to do my blush using Pink Sand. And then I'm going to use the Mecca Max highlighter hitter brush in Satin Sheets. I'm going to put a little bit of the highlighter in my inner corner as well. And then I'm going to do a really quick nose contour using the Kevyn Aucoin, the Sculpting powder in medium. Pop some highlighter on there. And then up here. And then I'm going to set my brows using the Hourglass Arch Fiber Gel in Warm Brunettes. And now to do my lips, I'm just going to use this lip liner. This is by Hourglass and it's called the Panoramic Longwear Lip Liner in the shade Eden. I'm actually going to use this BADESCU lip wax and mix that a little bit. Wow. I'm going to finish off using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. Whew, that's a long name. Shake, shake, shake. I personally like drowning myself in this. And then I like to wait for it to really set in, and it gives you the most beautiful effect. I'm gonna change my outfit, pop on some earrings, and I will be right back. And that's my finished glam look for a big shoot. I think it turned out really nicely. I'm ready to head out the door. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you beauty junkies very soon. Bye!